Welcome to Wigans Lake Cottage in Kingsley. We're 5 minutes here from Delamere Forest and 5 minutes into Frodsham with all its amenities. This is a beautiful Cheshire detached cottage which has been extended over the years. It has fantastic ground floor living space, 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. Just wait until you see the rear garden. My favourite room at this property is the large living dining kitchen with 2 sets of doors into the cottage garden, fantastic views and a beautiful granite island. I love this master bedroom suite with ensuite and wardrobe area, and the Juliet balcony overlooks the fields to the rear. That was a brief glimpse at Wigans Lake Cottage. For more information or to book a viewing, please contact me or my colleague Aidan. We'll be only too happy to help.